Hey everybody, so Google continues to add just a bunch of new features to Google Meet. In fact, the next series of videos are all going to be centered around all these new features as they continuously keep getting released almost now on a daily basis. So today's new feature once again brings us down to this little shield down here with a lock, and when I click on it, let's open this up. We've already spoken about allowing other people to share their screen, and we've already spoken about allowing the chat room to be essentially open or closed. However, the latest new feature is this right here, which is called Quick Access. So let's center our thoughts around this one today. Basically what it means is that when this is turned on, anybody can jump into your Meet that has the address or the nickname for the room or the calendar invite, whatever, and they can come in and just automatically join. However, there are times when you might want to be holding people back. Maybe you want to be the first person in the room and you don't want other people to join until you're in. Or, even better, let's say you've started a Meet and now you don't want anyone else to come in. We can kind of create a barrier where people will have to ask to join the Meet. And that's what you're going to see in this demo right now. So basically, if I turn this feature off, I had sent an invite out to Jason, and what you'll see in the screenshot that's coming up is you'll notice that when Jason goes to join the meeting and this quick access feature is turned off, he will receive a prompt on his end basically saying that he would like to join the Google Meet. In the next prompt that you'll see on my screen, I have to accept his request to join the meeting. So I can either do that and allow him to come in, or I can basically say, nope, I'm going to keep you outside the Meet because we've already started and it's too late to join. So this new feature, again, is called Quick Access. I think you'll enjoy using this one, especially for maybe students that are late to a Meet. Maybe you want to just keep them out or allow them to join maybe after a certain segment has finished, so that now they're going to join for the next segment or something like that. But give that a try. A brand new feature again from Google Meet, and I should point out there's at least another 3 or 4 new features that have just gotten released, and we're going to be releasing videos on all of them over the next week or so. So be prepared for all of these. So until next time, have a good one, enjoy, and we'll speak to you real soon.